uh, irrelevant action limelight. So Akib, I think Usman Tariq is that's why Akib Ali Tareen has given this statement. Now I think he is in the 30s after.
Well, obviously he's the captain, and where we predicted that he might get a big score today, obviously.
Yes, Akib. But Akib, the bad luck Babar Azam is facing is he is not getting very sorry state of air. If this aggression is on the field, then it's fine. But it is outside the.
So there are lots of discussion happening. Sport and Tahir Bhai is just today. How do you, Tahir Bhai?
Man, good Akib. God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir Bhai. Tahir Bhai, how do you see this news of Usman Tariq that his action is being suspected by the ICC and he might get banned because he's also faced criticism for his action before as well? He has a very strange kind of action, Tahir Bhai.
Akib, I agree with you. The moment we were enjoying the match last time, I also pointed you at that point of time that Akib, I am seeing some suspiciousness in his action. And same thing happened that he is in the limelight now. But Akib, it's not a worrying state for him because Akib, in past, Mohammad Hafiz, Saeed Ajmal, even Shoaib Akhtar, even Mohammad Asif has been in the irrelevant action limelight. So Akib, I think Usman Tariq also is on the verge of his age, and he should work hard to come out of this phobia. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for him. If ICC has taken action, then it's a very serious concern for him.
And Tahir Bhai, Ali Tareen obviously faced a lot of criticism by Junaid Khan that why he's using this term "learn" a lot in his tweet, and he said that it seems that he might have his manager might have asked to write these things. It's not by Ali Tareen himself. How do you see this, Tahir Bhai? Because Junaid Khan is also a very aggressive individual. He played for Multan before.
Akib, the reason is Ali Tareen is a very young blood. Now, if you know, young blood has a very hot intensity, aggressiveness, and I think that's why Akib fans are calling me in the mid of the video. So Akib, the thing is that's why Akib Ali Tareen has given this statement. Now I think he is in the 30s. After he will move toward the mid of 30s. Definitely, Akib, there will be some maturity in his attitude and he will be abide by giving such statements.
And Tahir Bhai, obviously, as we're talking about Ali Tareen today, it's a big match between Peshawar and Islamabad. And Tahir Bhai, as we were talking about today's match, Peshawar and Islamabad, it's obviously a very high intense encounter, and Babbar Shah today is playing in this match as well. Obviously, he's the captain, and where we predicted that he might get a big score today, obviously.
Yes, Akib, and we are also expecting a big knock from the captain's side. I'm sure he will be managed to ace the century.
He got 0 in the last match.
Yeah, and Akib, now he will add 10 more and will complete the century. 10 at the left side, right? Not on the right side. So Akib, the main thing I am demanding, not only demanding, only requesting from Babar is, no doubt whether you perform century, 150, 10, whatsoever your score, it should be match winning run. It should show your courageousness, your lone warriousness. Otherwise, your centuries won't work. As Tendulkar says, the criticism. Whenever he managed to get century, his team lost immediately that match.
And Tahir Bhai, as well, when Anasa was actually mentioning that obviously Babar Azam has a huge popularity, probably after Afridi is one of the players where people leave the stadium after he gets out, and still he gets a lot of abuse by the public. How do you see this, Tahir Bhai?
Yeah,
and sometimes it could take toll on his health also.
Yeah, Babar Azam is an ammo brand. Definitely, people love Babar Azam and want to see him play more in it. But Akib, the bad luck Babar Azam is facing is he is not getting proper joining hand with from the other ends. The other ends mean from his team and co-play. So Akib, the moment Babar will get the support of 2 to 3 co-players, I bet you his perform will boom like above the sky.
And Tahir Bhai, lastly, before we close this video, Mohammad Amir's statement, which we were discussed yesterday, that he shows aggression towards the batters on the field, but off the field they are pretty good friends. How do you see this statement?
Actually, Mohammad Asif, proud son of
Mohammad Amir,
proud son of Gujjar Khan, my village mate. I respect him, but Akib, from the past few days, he is not showing good attitude, not in the field, but outside the field as well. If you know what I mean, he has given the statement in the favor of the IPL. But on the other hand, this aggression is Akib, it's a very sorry state of air. If this aggression is on the field, then it's fine. But it is outside the field, then it's a very concerning for us. Because Akib, cricket and ethics both are parallel with each other. And Amir should control his aggression and should try to contribute more for the betterment of the team. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for him to make his way in the team.
Well, Tahir Bhai, thank you so much for time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we'll try to have with another video. So, guys, that's it for the video. Like and subscribe to Sports for more content like this. Still in the group from me and Tahir Bhai side. Take good care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.